everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on these pretty tips. I'm practicing on the hand and trying to get better at using her. There will be a lot more videos coming up with her. I think on Friday we're going to just talk about her a little bit, give her a new name, and I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit of the things that I'm noticing about her, and just, you know, simple stuff. Maybe we'll paint something too. We'll see how it goes. So what I'm doing here is using this pretty Model 1 solid cream gel. It's in this really bright wine pinky color. I love it so much. Maybe it's berry, maybe it's more berry. Now after we do this single coat, we're going to cure it one time. We're only going to do one coat and cure it 60 seconds. And that's because we're going to top it with its matching glitter from the glitter gel collection. So now we're coming in on these last two nails and we're going to paint them in this gray color from the same solid cream gels. And we're going to actually do two coats on this one. So you want to cure for 60 seconds and then repeat that. Now this pretty glitter gel matches this perfectly. Look at how beautiful that is. So I just wanted to make sure I had that pink down so that if there were any spots that didn't get completely covered by the glitter, there would be no see-through. It would just be a full pink nail with some really beautiful glitter on it. And we're going to do that on all three of these nails. And honestly, you could stop there. You wouldn't have to do anything else, and this would be such a cute set because this glitter is fire. It is so beautiful. I think I need to do a set with this on me soon. So if you've got any ideas, hit me in the comment section below. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe and hit all the other buttons because that lets YouTube know that you enjoy this content and that they should share it with others. Thank you very much for that. So now once we get all that done, gonna go ahead, hold it upside down for a second, pop it in the lamp. Then we're gonna come in with a juicy base coat. I'm gonna give it a nice juicy base coat. Again, we're gonna hold it upside down. And the reason for that is to allow gravity to grab a hold of the gel and give you a more rounded and smooth surface. And that just is really going to make the next thing we're going to do much easier to apply. Now after I remove the sticky layer, we're going to take these cool flame stickers in this really pretty iridescent purple. And once I finally get it off the backing here, we're going to start applying them to these nails. And I don't show every time that I take the stickers off because it is sort of tedious, and a couple of times I got too close to my face and it was out of frame, off camera. So mostly just sticking them on, I hope, anyway. So what I'm doing is just really pressing it in there, okay? You just really want, these are actual stickers, they're not water decals, so you do need to make sure that you place them where you want them and that you have them pressed down. And that is also why it's really good to remove that sticky layer, because they don't actually stick into that very well. And I did learn that by losing a couple of stickers in a practice set. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw a nail I did similar to this, and it was a practice nail. I didn't film it, but after I got done, I thought, wow, that was really stupid. I should have filmed that. And so I did film some other practice nails I did, but I didn't really like how they came out. But they still need to be filed and top coated, so we'll see. Maybe I'll share that with you guys in a future video, or maybe in an Instagram or something. So be sure you're following me over there as well. Now I'm going to add another sticker here. I almost left the gray ones plain, but I just thought that purple really pops on that gray, and it just I like the look of it. So now we're going to come in with our top coat, which really gives these stickers, they really shine. The iridescence really pops once you get that top coat on there. I really like this set. It's not for everybody, I will admit that, but I actually really love it, and I kind of wish I'd done it on myself. So we may be doing something similar in another video sometime, because I really, really do like that. Oh, that wasn't even the top coat, guys. That was the base coat, because you're going to want to either top coat this twice or base coat and top coat, which is what I chose, because I really need to order some more top coat. I am almost out. I mean, like, bottom of the bottle out. So, and I've got several bottles that are almost completely empty, so I need to do some shopping. But this is the finished set. You let me know what you think of them in the comment section, and we will see you Friday. Mwah! Bye-bye, guys.